So currently looking at the Euro model, at the 500 millibar level, there is this perpendicular wind flow compared to what the surface is showing. And that's a good indicator of some potential supercell development. Currently looking in northwestern Illinois as well as into southwestern Michigan. Associated with that perpendicular wind flow is some pretty modest mixed layer cape between 1500 and 1800 joules per kilogram in northwestern Illinois. And so, with that, here is the sounding that I'm looking at. Doesn't look like it's anything too spectacular. However, something that is, again, a little concerning of mine is this wind pattern, how it turns from southwesterly all the way to westerly up at the top of the cloud layer. In association with those relatively strong cape levels is also the lapse rates at the mid layer. And so the 8 Celsius per kilometer is essentially showing how fast the atmosphere cools per kilometer. And so the higher the lapse rate, the stronger the updrafts will be associated with that cape. A couple of things to note is the disagreement between the GFS and the Euro model. This is currently the surface-based cape from the GFS. It's not nearly as strong as what the cape is showing on the Euro model. However, it's still there, and so it's something that I need to keep an eye on. Since there isn't much strong cape at the GFS, there's also not really strong lapse rates to go with it. And so this disagreement is something that I need to be keeping a close eye on as hopefully the models will begin to align with each other as we get closer to this threat.